Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12. This is the 128GB model in black. So this is a new iPhone 12 in the thin box like they do for all the new iPhones. So here's our pull tab. Never opened a phone like this, so this is actually quite exciting. That comes off like that. And then, damn, that's a really nice box. And there is the phone. That kind of comes off like that. Peel this off. It just shows you where all your buttons are. So that's your mute switch, volume up, volume down, your power button. And yeah, that's the iPhone 12. So that's kind of it. Let's see what else is in the box. We got the USB-C to lightning cable. Very nice. Try and get this camera. In here, got SIM card tool, some information, Apple sticker, and yeah, that was an unboxing of the iPhone 12. Very nice phone in black. Looks brilliant. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.